Breitsohl. I'm the program director of the marketing master's degree. I teach mainly consumer psychology and communication psychology. The master's in marketing involves, basically it's structured in 2 sections. So the first semester gives you the basics, practical applications, what methods do you use in marketing, and key marketing theories. It's quite an intense 4-hour session for every module, once per week, 4 hours. Then you have individual help sessions if you require so. Normally it's split into theory and practice. So first you learn about certain theoretical elements, and then we practice them with real-life examples from your own life, survey studies, interviews, experiments, things like that. First of all, we are a pretty small team, so groups will be small. What we've seen over the years is that there are a lot of group effects. So in a small team you work together. We are 4 members of staff that closely work with you, get to know us very well, and that way it's a really personal master's degree. One of the key skills that we have is individual development. So you develop your own idea of what marketing is, and then you foster that. You foster practical skills such as presentations, research skills. So this is really a science master's. So whereas in practice in the industry you often face mental shortcuts, rules of thumb, we are actually doing science, and that is how you can sell yourself later. By saying, okay, let's test these assumptions in industry. This is a key skill that we give in line with developing your individual abilities, and then to be able to present them. We've specifically focused on employability. From past experience, our graduates pretty much always focus on the marketing industry. We are pretty strong on online marketing. Most of us have got an industry background, so quite a lot of our students go into industry afterwards, specifically in the online marketing industry. What you can do, what we've done in the past, is we have offered cooperations with companies, so they actually pay part of the fee, and as a result you have to work for your final year project, for your little baby. You have to share that with the company and work on some issues that they have. First of all, it's a small town, so you pretty much get to know everyone quite fast. You meet your lecturers in a pub, whether you like it or not. You meet everybody else. It's a perfect environment in my view, because it's safe, it has a sea, it has a bit of a bohemian vibe, it's an artistic town. I think it's less distraction as in big cities. That is our big advantage in my view. In big cities you can, although there's a lot of entertainment, I don't disagree with it, but here you can really focus on your studies whilst having a fantastic and wild time.